Hi everyone, I'm here to help you with number 13. Show that there are 2 points at which the function h of x equals 2x squared minus x to the fourth has a maximum value and 1 point at which h has a minimum value. Find the coordinates of these 3 points, indicating whether it is a maximum or minimum. So to find a maximum or minimum, we need to take the first derivative and set it equal to 0. So the first derivative will be 4x minus 4x cubed. So I have 4x minus 4x cubed that I have to set equal to 0. I can factor out 4x. And when I divide out a 4x, I'm left with 1 minus x squared. And this can further factor, or you don't have to factor it. It could factor to... yeah, let's go ahead and factor it. It's a difference of 2 squares. 4x times 1 plus x times 1 minus x equals to 0. So now we can, if we set each of them equal to 0, we'll get x equals 0, x equals negative 1, and x equals positive 1. Okay. So now what we do is we make a sign diagram. I'm going to plug in negative 1, 0, and 1. And remember that we're plugging it into this factored form. So I need to choose a number less than negative 1. I'm going to choose negative 2. Between them, I'm going to choose negative 0.5, positive 0.5, and positive 2. Okay? So, if I plug in negative 2, this will be a negative, this will be a negative, this will be a positive. A negative times a negative times a positive is a positive. Now I'm going to plug in negative 0.5, so this will be negative, this will be positive, this will be positive, and a negative times a positive is a negative. Now let's plug in 0.5. 0.5, I would have a positive times a positive times a positive, which is positive. And then 2, I would have a positive times a negative, which is a negative. Okay? So this function is going increasing to decreasing, decreasing to increasing, and then increasing to decreasing. So we see we have our maximum at negative 1, minimum at 0, maximum at 1. Now to find, we need to find the coordinates. So to find the coordinates, we plug in these numbers to the original. So h of negative 1. So I'll have 2 times 1 minus 1, that will be 1. H of 0 will give me 0, and h of 1 will give me, I think the same thing. We'll have, 1. So we have the point negative 1 comma 1, 0 comma 0, and 1 comma 1. Negative 1 comma 1 is a max, 0 comma 0 is a min, and 1 comma 1 is a max. Okay, I hope this helps. Have a wonderful day.